Here we have a dancer and she is a liar. Just like all of your dancers and your gymnasts and your swimmers and all of your hypermobile patients. If you assess them with regular conventional physical therapy thought processes and techniques, and you look at things like range of motion, like have her touch her toes, and then have her do a squat, and even if we go arms straight up over top, she's going to pass all of those tests because she has plenty of motion, she's flexible, and she has tons of mobility. She's also going to pass all of your manual muscle tests because she's an elite dancer. She's figured out how to compensate to throw your tests off. If you don't know how to assess these patients for individual muscle facilitation, you will lose. They will compensate, they will continue to get hurt, they will continue to stay hurt, and you will strike out. What you need to understand with her is that she has neuromuscular dysfunction, and unless you get to the root cause of the neuromuscular dysfunction, she's going to stay flexible. She's not going to have strength and stability through her range of motion, which is what is important, which is why she should never be working on range of motion, flexibility, mobility. She should be working on motion, strength, and stability, which is mostrability.